The cruise industry was hard set hit by coronavirus, which has spread around the world. The ship owners could not even afford to save cruise ships economically. So, a total of 26 cruise ships have been sent to wreck during Corona's 18-month period, of which 12 cruise ships have been wrecked in Alang Ship Recycling Yard, and 13th cruise ship is coming this month. Hello friends, once again we welcome you on our channel Shipping in Box. Today we are going to talk about another luxurious cruise ship is arriving at Alang Ship Recycling Yard for our final voyage. We have tried to cover inside tour of cruise ship, hence this video will be very interesting. Please stay tuned till the end. There is a certain class of cruise ships that spends millions of rupees on cruise ships with luxurious facility, but cruise tourism have banned because of corona. The Carnival Group having fleet of luxury cruise ships, and their Century Harmony, formerly named Carnival Fascinations cruise ship, will arrive at Alang Ship Recycling Yard later this month of October 2021 for demolition purpose. Although the final buyer at Alang has not been decided yet, everything will be finalized next week. The Century Harmony cruise ship was built in 1994, which is 261 meter long, 31 meter wide, and the entire ship is 10-story height. The cruise ship can carry 2,634 passengers and 920 crew members. The ship also includes swimming pool, disco theater, 4 restaurants, a beer bar, library, shopping malls, and state-of-art racket. 12 cruise ships have been wrecked at Alang Ship Recycling Yard since the corona period. Cruise ships are coming to sell in 11-kilometer retail market around Alang Ship Recycling Yard. The new cruise ship is likely to be center of attraction in Alang. Cruise ships like Karnika, Grand Celebration, Columbus, Magellan, Ocean Dream, Albatross, Marco Polo, Metropolis, Stray Metropolis, Leisure World, Amusement World have already arrived in Alang Ship Recycling Yard. Century Harmony Original Fascinations and then Carnival Fascinations is a fantasy class cruise ship built at Helsinki, Finland in 1994. For most of her service with Carnival Cruise Lines, she operated out of San Juan, Rico. In 2017, Caribbean Fascination was chartered to the US government to assist with hurricane relief work in the Virgin Islands. During the year 2020 COVID pandemic, the ship was withdrawn from service and in November that year sold to Century Harmony Cruise Limited for conversion to hotel ship. However, in October 2021, Cruise High reported that she had set to course for Alang, India, where she would likely to be scrapped. The ship was the fourth of Carnival Cruise Line's fantasy class built by Masa Yard at Helsinki New Shipyard in Finland. She was floated out of on 1st July 1994 and christened Fascinated by Jenny Farkas. The ship was registered under Panamanian flag and mostly home ported in San Juan, Rico, sailing in the Caribbean year during. In 2000, her port of registry was changed to Nassau under the Bahamas flag. During 2007, in common with all of her fantasy class sisters, she had the prefix Carnival added to her name. After the destruction caused in United States Virgin Islands by hurricanes Irma and Maria, Carnival Fascinations was chartered to the Federal Emergency Management Agency from October 15, 2017 until February 3, 2018 to house relief workers at St. Croix. This charter cost FEMA $74 million. At the end of charter, the ship was given a further relief prior to returning to Carnival service out of Puerto Rico in July 2020. As a result of Carnival Cruise Line reducing fleet capacity, Carnival Fascinations entered a long-term layup with no planned date for the ship to return the service. In November 2020, the cruise line announced that the ship had been sold to Century Harmony Cruise Limited. Fascination was given a multi-million-dollar refurbishment while in dry dock during September 2006. In January 2010, Carnival Fascination was again dry docked to be refurbished. In January 2013, Carnival Fascination underwent another dry dock. Fascination sailed from New York between July 24 and September 4, 1994 for moving to San Juan, Puerto Rico as Carnival Fascination. She sailed from Jacksonville, Florida to the Bahamas. In 2013 and 2014, Coco Cay replaced Key West on some of Carnival Fascination's itineraries. Coco Cay is a private island in Bahamas owned by rival cruise line Royal Caribbean International. In April 2016, Carnival Fascinations repositioned to San Juan, Puerto Rico, where she undertook Southern Caribbean cruises. In June 2010, Carnival Fascinations lost engine power due to a technical malfunction while returning to Jacksonville, Florida. Power was restored after several hours and the ship was able to return Jacksonville, Florida under her own power. In April 2013, it was reported that on February 21, 2013, Carnival Fascinations failed a US CDC health inspection after inspectors found insects in food preparation areas, dried food waste, insufficient chlorinization, and in swimming pool chlorinization was not in sufficient level, and insufficient sneeze guard at the salad bar. A satisfactory rating from CDC is a score of 85 or higher. Carnival Fascinations scored 84. In February 2020, the ship cancelled a call to St. Lucia over a scare of COVID-19 pandemic after a crew member reported illness with flu-like symptoms. The Carnival Fascination docked in Barbados but was not allowed to disembark passengers until individual was declared negative of SARS-CoV when sold by Carnival to Century Harmony Cruise Limited and renamed Century Harmony. It was reported that ship would become a hotel in Asia. Later, after being taken to China for refurbishment, a cruise startup intention was reported. In October 2021, Century Harmony was sold for demolition at Alang Ship Recycling Yard in India.